Hey everyone, and welcome to another TreePlotter PARKS tutorial. Before we begin, it is important to note, in TreePlotter PARKS there are two types of inspections. One for inspections of your assets, like trees and other amenities, and another that integrates inspection forms, which are unique to your assets like parks, playgrounds, trails, or vehicles. Inspection forms can be customized to reflect a weekly or monthly inspection already taking place at your organization. This video will go over inspection forms for your parks, trails, playgrounds, or vehicles. To find out more about the other type of inspections for your trees and assets, visit our support site at support.treeplotter.com. Now, it is time to learn more about inspection forms in TreePlotter PARKS. Let's get started. Inspection forms can be created and customized for any layer in your TreePlotter PARKS application. In this demo application, we have inspection forms configured for the parks, vehicles, and playgrounds layers. You can view inspections for your data in the data table or in the details form if you click on a specific asset. Inspection forms function as a sublayer of the layer on your map in TreePlotter PARKS. You will have the power to inspect an existing asset like playgrounds without manipulating the details that already exist. Instead, the inspection form keeps a detailed history of your asset's condition over time in a separate table. The inspection form's history of those assets is viewable and downloadable by your application's users. Say we have been sent out into the field to inspect some playgrounds and equipment. To do this, simply click on the playgrounds you would like to inspect. From here, there are two ways to access the inspection forms. You can click Inspect in the pop-up and click Add, or you can open the Playground Details form, click on the Inspections tab, and click Add. From here, you can fill out the customized inspection form by filling out the inspection's details, like your inspection comments. Your username, date, and location information will fill in automatically. Then, you can fill in the customized inspection items, which can include information about surfacing, hardware and paint, any damage you find, and general equipment at that playground. This form will be configured differently depending on your organization's protocols and the asset layer you are inspecting. This form will save automatically by clicking Close or simply exiting out of the form. After adding an inspection form, the list of inspections in the Inspections tab will update automatically. From here, you can print any inspection by scrolling over and clicking the Print button. When you click the Print button in the Inspection Form tab, your browser will open a new window with the inspection report details. In the report, you will find all of the inspection form details, along with any images you have attached to your inspection. You can click the Print button in the top right corner to print your inspection form. Within the Inspections tab, you can also search through your inspections in the search box. To customize your view of inspections in the Inspections tab, click on the Column Visibility button. From here, you can choose what fields within the inspection form you would like to view in the Inspection tab columns. If you want to show all columns in your Inspection tab, click on Show All Columns. To go back to the original columns that were visible, click Show Default Columns. If you are an admin user, You can further customize your inspection forms through the Data Field Editor found in the Hub under Data Tools. When opening the Data Field Editor, you can choose which inspection form you would like to customize in the Select a Layer dropdown. Once you select a layer, you can create a new field, change the order of your fields, and even edit permissions for all users to be able to view or edit the field in other tools within TreePlotter Parks. You can also view your inspections in the data table. Open the data table, click on your inspection form layer, and you can view all of your inspections in a table format. You can configure which fields will display in the data table by clicking Views and selecting which fields you would like to add to your data table view. From the data table, you can also toggle on and off certain inspection history and zoom to or update the selected inspection records. By clicking More, you can delete inspections you have checked, highlight them, or export out the data table. Now you are ready to inspect the assets in your community. Thanks for watching, and for more information on TreePlotter Parks, check out support.treeplotter.com.